Yeah. So good evening. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. In the last class, I think we done approximately 5 problems. Right. So date is, I think, today last date. Let me write. Today is the last date, 31st, 12, 25 is the last data for this year. Right. So totally, I think in the last class 5 problems we done. Let's go to 6th problem. Example 6. Let's go to 6th problem. Let me know audio video okay or not. First of all, let me know audio video okay or not. Check one time. Is audio video okay? Everyone try. Is audio video okay? Any issue, let me know. Audio video, any issue, let me know. Is audio video okay? Yeah, if it is okay, we can go ahead. Right, we are starting now. Example 6. Example 6. Yeah, let's start now. Careful, everyone. Main. Main. So next one, let me take, I think, while loop I am taking. I value 5. Or I think because of the starting problem of this model, let me take I value 1. Main I is equal to 1 while I less than or equal to n. Inside I is equal to I plus 1. X is equal to y plus z. So this is the program. End of this. I is equal to 1 while I less than or equal to 1 while I less than or equal to n. I is equal to I plus 1, x is equal to y plus z. So it is a given problem. So what is the time complexity of this problem? We have to find out. So let me know what is the time complexity. What is the time complexity you are thinking? Let me know. Everyone, what is the time complexity? Please let me know. Everyone, I have to try. What is the time complexity you are thinking? Sahil is saying that order of n. Sahil saying that order of n, and one more person said okay. Okay, fine. So time complexity order of n. How let's see. Let's see. So I value starting from 1. I value starting from 1. Okay, fine. So afterwards, every time I is incrementing by 1. Every time I is incrementing by 1. So I value become 1 become 2, 2 become 3, 3 become 4, and so on. It is going n time. So every I value you are in, right, you are coming inside. Every I value you are coming inside. So like that n times going on. Time complexity means how many times this loop is going on. I think n times. So time complexity big O of n. Some people are asking that. You may say that, sir, 2 statements are there inside. You may say like that. If you think 2 statement, okay, 2n. Every time 2 statements are running, like that n time. Every time 2 statements are running, right, like that n time. So 2n. If you think, sir, this also one more statement, okay, right? Every time 3 statements are running, so 3n. 3n is big O of n. Or you can write omega of n. Forget about constant, theta of n. All are correct. Right, sir? Whenever this while loop is going on, every time 3 people are running. I less than or equal to n condition checking. I is equal to I plus 1. X is equal to y plus z. Every time 3 people. Like that n times. So 3n, which is nothing but order of n, omega of n, theta of n. I think time complexity is 3n. So everyone know this. Right? Someone is mentioned. Answer is big O of n. True. Let's go to example 7. Example 6 over. Let's go to example 7. Let's go to example 7. Right? Main. Take care. This also main. I is equal to 1 while I less than or equal to n. go inside, I is equal to I plus 10, x is equal to y plus z. So this is the program. I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I is equal to I plus 10, x is equal to y plus z. So this is the program. So what is the time complexity? Now can you say what is the time complexity of this program? What is the time complexity of this program? Now can you say? Previously you given I am very happy. Now say what is the time complexity of this program? Everyone try. Now what is the time complexity? Previous problem you said I am very happy. Now say what is the time complexity? I is equal to every time incrementing by plus 10. I is always incrementing by plus 10. So can you give answer now? Previously you give an answer I am very happy. Now give answer. Previously you give an answer I am very happy. Now give answer. Yeah, I think Sahil is saying that n by 10 nearly order of n. Okay, let me explain now. Mostly you are right. Sahil, mostly you are right. Let me check here. Sahil, mostly you are right. Let me check here. So every time, right, this condition is checking. Okay, that is fine. So every time I value incrementing by 10. So what happened is initially I value 1, condition true. So afterwards plus 10, I think 11. Afterwards plus 10. Afterwards plus 10. Afterwards plus 10. I think 10 difference. 10 difference. So if you want, you can check. If you want, you can check. This loop is repeating. Suppose n value 100. N value 100. This loop is repeating approximately. Right? Approximately. So 100 by 10. 10 times. 100 by 10. 10 times. You may say how 10 times. So first one will execute. This also, this also, this also 41, 51, 61, 71, 81, 91. Check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 times. Afterwards 101 condition fail, stop it. Afterwards 101 condition fail, stop it. So if you want, you can check 10 times. So n is given n by 10 times. N value 100, 100 by 10. N is given, so n by 10. Which is nothing but, forget about constant, big O of n. Big O of n can be written as omega of n. Omega of n can be written as theta of n. All three correct. All three correct. Answer is actually n by 10. You may say that, sir, I will count this also one statement, this also one statement, this also every time 3. So 3 into n by 10. Anyhow, 3 by 10 is, right? 3 into n by 10, which is nothing but 3 by 10 into n. 3 by 10 is a constant, neglect n, which can be written as big O of n, omega of n, so theta of n. So you can write. Check once. Sahil, whatever you said right. Sahil, whatever you said right. You said answer as n, right? So you said answer as n, right? You are right. So answer is actually, right, 3, right? 3 by 10 n. If you say n by 10 also right. If you say 3 by 10 n also right. If you say simply n also right. All are right. All three right. All three right. I think maybe somewhere maybe, I think that image maybe become bigger. So let me make it small, little smaller. Yeah. My image is, I think, a little bigger. So I made it smaller. Now let's move to next problem. I think this also okay. Example 7 also you done. Example 7 also you done. Let's go to example 8. 7 over 8. Be careful, everyone. Be careful, everyone. Example 8. Everyone take care. Example 8. This is going to be interesting. Please see. Main. I is equal to 9. While I less than or equal to n power 10. Inside I is equal to I plus 2. I is equal to I plus 20. I is equal to I plus 20. I is equal to I plus 8. X is equal to y plus z. Now try what is the time complexity of this program. Try what is the time complexity of this program. Everyone take care. What is the time complexity of this program? I'm expecting answer. I is equal to 9, that's okay. I is less than or equal to n power 10. I is equal to I plus 2. I is equal to I plus 20. I is equal to I plus 8. X is equal to y plus z. What is the time complexity of this program? Now it's an open challenge to everyone. Don't guess. Don't guess the answer. Can you check yourself? What is the answer here? Ashok is saying that, sir, next year gate prepare అవుతున్నా సార్ 100% ఏఆర్ 10 లోపు వస్తుంది సార్. జాబ్ మానేసి చేస్తున్నా సార్. ప్రిపరేషన్తో పాటు కంటెంట్ క్రియేషన్లో కూడా మంచి ఇంపాక్ట్ చేసే కంటెంట్ ప్లాన్ చేసుకున్నా సార్. పర్ఫెక్ట్. గో హెడ్ అశోక్. రైట్, వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ థింక్ యూ డూ ఫుల్ హార్టెడ్లీ. Do full heartedly whatever you are thinking. You are thinking something, do with full heart. Don't do with half heart, do with full heart. Then you are going to be the winner. Do with full heart, don't do with half heart. You want to propose someone, go ahead and propose. Whatever will happen will happen. You want to propose gate, go ahead. Right, you left the job and you are doing, go ahead and do with full heartedly. Yeah, so let's start now. What is the answer of this? What is the time complexity of this program? So everyone observe. So every time you are incrementing, see, plus 2 you are incrementing, plus 20 you are incrementing, overall 22 you are incrementing every time, plus 8 also, overall you are incrementing 30, every time 30 incrementing, every time 30 incrementing. Remember, every time 10 incrementing n by 10, every time 30 incrementing. So if you want, you can check the time complexity of this program is n by 30. If n is there, n by 30. See, n place n by n power 10 there, n power 10 by 30. You may say that, sir, ready sir, I think here 4 statements are there, including these 5 statements. If you want, you can write 5 into. If you want, you can write. So the possible answers for this problem. So some people will say the answer of this one is n power 10 by 30, which is nothing but big O of n power 10. That is right. Some people will say n power 10 by 30, but here 5 statements are there. So I think n power 10 by 30 into 5. So which is nothing but n power 10 by 6 maybe, which is nothing but this. All are finally same. Some people will say that, sir, it is starting from 9, na? Ready, sir, it is starting from 9. It is starting from 9. You may say that, right? It don't affect that much. If at all, it will affect if you want to take care of this also. From 9 onwards starting, na? 9 onwards. I think before 9 not required. That means you can do this also. Right? So n power 10 by 30, that is okay, minus 9, which is nothing but forget about constant n power 10. Right? So it is going to be n power 10 by 30, which is going to be same answer. Big O of n power 10. All correct. Sir, it is starting from 9, na? Means before 9 you are not doing any work, so remove it. Okay. So remaining n power 10 by 30. N power 10 by 30. That is also okay. Right? I think a small constant, don't think much. Sir, it is starting from 9 only, na? Before 9, don't bother. That may be the reason I subtracted also. But remember, time complexity finally, big O of n power 10. Why n power 10? Here n power 10 is there. Here n is there, n only. Here n power 10 is there, so n power 10. So like that. Now let me know any objection. Sir, please can you share just one time the basic series required for analysis like log 1? It is, I make a quick note. Yeah, it may come in the further problem. It will come Ashok, you can ping me, we both can talk. This is our WhatsApp number. You just ping us, we are going to help you. We both can talk what exactly you done. So we'll see. We'll discuss about your plan. 8882089903. We both discuss. Now let's go to next problem. Let's go to next problem. I think previous one is 8th problem. Now 9th problem. Let's see the example 9. Careful everyone. Main I is equal to let's try I is equal to n, while I greater than or equal to 1, I is equal to I minus 1, x is equal to y plus z, end of the while, and end of the program. Try this also. Example 9. Try the example 9 also. Everyone try example 9 also. Main I is equal to n, n is greater than or equal to 1, I is equal to I minus 1, x is equal to y plus z. Can you do this problem? Try one time. I will give the answer. Try one time. Everyone try. What is the answer of this problem? Everyone try. Yeah, I hope you people done. So let me give answer. Sahil is given answer n. Ashok also given answer is n. So I will check once. It is like addition only. In the addition, you will start from small number. If it is addition, you will start from small number. Small number you will start. Then because of it is a small number, you will increment inside. Because of it is the subtraction, you started from big number, you are subtracting. Remember, always plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, always minus 1 minus 1. So if you see the speed, same way it is going. The only thing is started from big number, you are decrementing. If you go to the plus, start from small number, do plus. Remember, plus operator reverse is minus operator. Minus operator reverse is plus operator. In the case of plus, start from small increment. In the case of minus, start from big increment. So this is also same. What is the answer? Assume that n value 100. 100 greater than 1? Yes. 99 greater than or equal to 1? Yes. 98 greater than or equal to 1? Yes. Continue like this one. 1 greater than or equal to 1? Yes. Afterward 0. 0 greater than or equal to 1? Fail. So I think this is also going 100 times, because always you are subtracting by 1. So this loop will go n by 1 time. If you take care about small issues, it's not a big deal. You can write 3 into also. This is also right. So finally, bigger function is n. So time complexity big O of n. So some people will write this also. Always minus 1, n by 1. Don't worry about that constant, because anyhow constant you are ignoring. Big O of n, theta of n, omega of n. So all correct. So those people who give an answer as order of n, that is perfect. Now same thing I can do here. Same thing. Example 9 over. Can you see the example 10? Can you see the example 10? See everyone, example 10. Main. I is equal to n. Be careful now. While You started from big number, I greater than or equal to 1. Inside, I is equal to I minus 10. I is equal to I minus 20. I is equal to I minus 7. I is equal to I minus 4. X is equal to Y plus Z. End of the while. End of the program. Yeah, go ahead. What is the answer of this? What is the answer of this problem? Check one time. This is also a nice problem. Can you check? What is the answer of this problem? Everyone try. What is the answer of this? It is interesting. Remember, start from big number. That is the reason it is decreasing. If you start from big number, it will decrease. If you start from small number, it will increase. It is started from bigger number, so it will decrease. If it start from small number, it will increase. So can you say what is the answer of this problem? Can you say what is the answer of this problem? Everyone say what is the answer of this problem? Everyone try, not only watching. Please give response. Please give response. Not only watching, please give response. Someone is saying that n by 20. It's not n by 20, right? It's more. Let's see. It's a more, I think. So let me check once. It's a more. So first from the I, remove 10, next 20, next 7, next 4, right? I think if you overall, if you observe, I think 31, minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 37, minus 37 plus 4, minus 41, right? I think it is going to be I is equal to I minus 41. Every time 41 decrementing, it is n by 41. So if you want, you can add these statements also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 statements. So which is going to be bigger one is n, right? Finally, big O of n. Some people used to write like this also, this only. So n by 41, forget about, right? This all are one statement only. They will consider all as one statement only because processor will make in a second many statement it will do. In a one small microsecond or in small right, small second, millisecond, whatever it may be, right? In a fraction of second it will do lakhs of operations. That is the reason these all as one statement. In a fraction of seconds, it will do millions of operations or billions of operations. That is the reason these all considered as one statement only. So for each I value, these all will execute. How many times this loop repeating? N by 41. N by 41 means time complex how much? Right? N only, which is nothing but big O of n, which is nothing but omega of n. What is the difference between these three symbols? I will say afterwards. What is the difference between all these three symbols? I will say afterwards. Right? Perfect. So the answer of this, the 10th problem. Answer of 10th problem is n by 41 means n, big O of n, omega of n, theta of n. So please take care. Right. Sir, I have one doubt. If it is a multi-select, then n by 20, will it be correct? First of all, from where that 20 came? Ashok bro, from where that 20 came? Right or wrong, it is a different story. How you got, you only say, right? That 20 from where you got? Okay, that's okay. Your answer, right or wrong, that is a different story. From where this 20 came? You may be right. You may be wrong. But from where that 20 came? 10 plus 10, for that minus 10 you are doing, afterwards minus 20. It became minus 30, minus 30, minus 7, minus 37, minus 37, minus 4, minus 41. Oh. Yeah, fine. So yeah, maybe right. Whatever you are saying, I agree. But the thing is, in the loop, every time all these subtractions are going on. In this loop, every time I is decrementing by 41. Yeah, possibility there you have to take. You have to take all cumulatively. If possibility there, you have to take all, right? All the, if possibility there, you have to add all. Possibility not there, take bigger one. Possibility not there, take a bigger one. Possibility there, na? Possibility there, right? You can add all of them. Whenever some confusion, then take the dominator. When no confusion, add all of them. If no confusion, add all of them. Very good. Ashok, I thought you were just playing joke. When you said n by 20, this Ashok person is laughing. This Ashok person is joking. I thought like this. But you are a very smart person. Ashok bro, you are a very smart person, yaar. I thought you were joking. From where this 20 came? This 20 came from heaven or what? I thought it is came from heaven. But you given very nice answer, yeah. But remember Ashok, not possible. Some confusion, then take the bigger one. If no confusion, add it. No confusion is there, add it. Thank you. Question number 10 over. Go to the question number 11. Question number 11 I am doing. Example 11. Yeah, I think it's going to be interesting one. This problem is going to be little interesting, main. This problem is going to be a little interesting, main. I is equal to n while I greater than or equal to 1, I is equal to I minus 20, I is equal to I minus 30, I is equal to I plus 37, I is equal to I plus 47, I is equal to I minus 100, x is equal to y plus z. Yeah, this is the problem. This is going to be interesting. Can you try this? This problem is interesting. Can you try now? Let's see how many people will give answer. Let's see how many people will give answer. Let's see how many people will give answer. Everyone try. Try everyone. Sahil saying n by 66. Ashok, what is the answer? Ashok, what is the answer? Sahil is saying n by 66. Ashok, what is the answer? Let's see the Ashok also. Sahil, let's see the Ashok also. Let's see the Ashok also. What is the Ashok opinion? Let's see the Ashok also. Sahil saying that n by 66. I am very happy. Let's see the Ashok also. Ashok bro. Ashok bro, what is the answer? I am not sure. Okay, now see the answer. Now see the answer. Everyone see the answer. I think Sahil may be given correct answer. You can see now. See the answer. So I is equal to n, I greater than or equal to 1, I is equal to I minus 20, I is equal to I minus 30, I is equal to I plus 37, I is equal to I plus 47, I is equal to I minus 100, x is equal to y plus z. So this is the program. Can you observe here? Can you observe here? I is equal to I minus 20, I minus 30. So remember, already you started with big number. Remember, you already started with big number. Inside it should decrease. Because you are already started with big number, inside it should decrease. But if at all inside overall incrementing na, this program will go to infinite loop. At that time it is not a algorithm. Overall, remember everyone, overall this program, if you observe, right, so it should decrease only, because you are already started with the big number. Overall it should decrease only, right? So let's see what happened. So first 20 decreased, next 30 decreased, overall 50 decreased, next 37 decremented, next 47 decremented, overall how much? 87 plus 4, 87, 94, 94, 94 incremented, so plus 94. So if you see this one, how much? I think 44 minus 44 or plus 44, plus 44. Because if you remove minus 50, so if you add the one more 50, it will become 94. So it became plus 44, right? Afterwards this also completed. This is the answer. Next one, minus 100. So just to do minus 100, which is going to be minus 64. Am I right? 64. 64 or 54. So minus 56. Minus 56. Right? So it's going to be minus 56. Am I right? It's a minus 56. Overall minus 56. If you see the overall story, minus 56. So it is almost like I is equal to I minus 56. It is almost like n by 56. It is almost like a big O of n. So this is the answer. This is the answer. Let me check. 56 exactly. 56 na? 56 or 66? 56. 56 plus 44, 100 na? Right? So initially minus 50. Afterwards we written the 94 plus 94, which will goes to, I think, 44. 44, 50, which is going to be 94. To that 44, you are subtracting 100, which is going to be minus 56. Minus 56. Minus 56 plus 4, right, which will goes to 60, 40. Yeah, exactly. Minus 56. So it will become I is equal to I minus 56. It will become n by 56. It will become big O of n. I think you are absolutely correct. Sahil, you are correct. Sahil, it is a n by 56, na? Are Ashok, it is a 56 or 66. Are add correctly R. Properly add yaar. Are kya yaar Sahil? Ashok, is it 56 or 66? Kya yaar? Am I galti? Check once. 20, 30, 50. 50. No. 37, 47. 84, na? It is a 84, na? This is 84. 37, 47, 84, na? This is the place where mistake happened. This is the place where mistake is happened. So it is going to be 34. It is going to be 66. Perfect. Sahil, you are perfect, yaar. Sahil, you are perfect, man. Anyhow, answer is big O of n. Anyhow, answer is big O of n. Yeah, maybe, I think, over some calculation mistake is done. Sahil, you are correct. Sahil is a good boy. So, minus 50 plus 84. Not 94, plus 84. Minus 50 plus 84. Which is going to be 34. 34 minus 100 minus 66, which is going to be I is equal to I minus 66, which is going to be n by 66, which is nothing but big O of n. Sahil correct. Sahil correct. Sahil, you only correct. Let's move to next problem. Do calculations properly. I think example number 11 also we done. Let's go to example number 12. 11 is over. Let's go to 12. Example 12. Careful. So I'm giving one small trick. One tricky problem I'm giving. Let's check. One tricky problem I'm giving. I is equal to 67. While I is equal to 67, right? While I less than or equal to n. Inside I is equal to I plus 10, I is equal to I plus 50, I is equal to I minus 100, I is equal to I minus 200, x is equal to y plus z. One small trick I played. Let's see how many people will give the answer. One small trick I played. End of the while loop, end of the main program. End of the while loop, end of the main program. Can you give answer? For this problem? What is the time complexity? For this problem, what is the time complexity? Check everyone. Yeah, let's try this. I was doubting my calculation, aiming top 100 in GATE 2026. Are Sahil, you are perfect, man. Where are you troubling? You are perfect. Man. Where are you troubling? No, you are not troubling. Sahil, you are not troubling. Sahil, you ping me. You WhatsApp me, Sahil, one time. Ashok, you also WhatsApp me. Now see this one. Remember everyone. I is already small. Constant. I is already small. If it is already small, right? So this loop will be over. This loop will stop if I will become bigger. I already small. If I value become bigger, then only this loop will stop. Go inside. I is equal to 67. I less than or equal to 10. Already I small, right? So whenever this loop is going on, overall should increase. Because I already small, then only this condition fail. But the problem is 10 you incremented first to, afterwards 50 incremented, total 60 incremented. Okay. Then immediately if you observe, right, 100 is subtracted. 60 minus 100 is minus 40 overall. So afterwards 200 is subtracted. So it became right, minus, I think what is the answer? Minus 240. First 60 added, next minus 100 added. So minus 40 to this minus 40, minus 200 added, minus 240. Indication that whenever this loop is going on, every time I decrementing. already is small, you are decrementing. In the next round again 240 decrement, 240 decrement, keep on decrementing. This loop never over. Remember, it is not a algorithm. It is not algorithm, not infinite loop. It is not algorithm. So we cannot find time complexity. We cannot find time complexity. Remember, that is the meaning of infinite loop. Means we cannot find time complexity. Algorithm only we can find time complexity. Algorithm, what is one of the property? Whenever it is algorithm, it should stop. If you say it is algorithm, it should stop. Are you saying it is algorithm? Yes, it should stop. Be careful, everyone. Are you saying it is an algorithm? Yes, then it should stop. If it is not stopping, it is not an algorithm. It is not algorithm. How can I find out time complexity? We cannot find time complexity. It is not infinite loop, nothing. It is not an algorithm. We cannot find out time complexity. This is a very interesting problem, because the reason is already I small. Right? I is a constant. N is a function. In front of the function, constant is very small, already small. To the small person, you have to add something. Then only it will increment. But you are decrementing every time by minus 240. So decrement. I think this loop never over. Oh, it is not an algorithm. Remember, it is a program. It is a program, but it is not an algorithm. Every program is an algorithm. Every program is an algorithm. But right? So I'm saying very clearly. Let me repeat once again. The thing whichever I written on the board, it is a program. It is a program, but it is not an algorithm. Right? Every algorithm is a program, but every program need not be algorithm. It is a program, it is not an algorithm. If anyone is confused, I am repeating once again. Right? Every algorithm is a program, but every program need not be algorithm. See, it is a program. It is not an algorithm because it is not stopping. So time complexity we cannot find out because it is not an algorithm. Right? Sahil said that it will go to infinite loop. Exactly. Number, please. Oh, number required. So can't you call without number? Can't you call without number? I thought, let me check how he can find out. I'm thinking how he can find out. Let him find out. I thought like this. Okay, perfect. Perfect now. So this problem, let me check finally. Let me check this problem finally. So this program, whatever I written, it is not an algorithm. We cannot find out time complexity. It is not an algorithm. We cannot find out time complexity. Very good. Very good. Right? So let me say one more small line. Yeah, let me say one more small line. Right? Careful. Let me say one more small line. There are, right, if you see in the EPT portal, if you see, there are approximately 30 mock tests are there. In the EPT portal, you will find out 30 full-length mock tests are there. They are free. 15 GATE CSE, 15 GATE DA. GATE DA purpose 15 mock test, right? GATE CSE purpose 15 mock test. Total 30 mock tests are there. 30 mock tests. So I request you, if you completed the syllabus, please attempt this. And right after attempting is over, 30 right 15 plus 50, CSE people can attempt 15, DA people can attempt 15. If at all you are writing both, you can attempt these 30. So after attempting is over, right, please verify. After every test is over, please verify what are the positives, what are the negatives. Please identify what are the positives, what are the negatives. Please identify. So negatives keep on improve. Marks, don't worry about the marks. Maybe first attempt, right, maybe you will get the 25 marks. Next maybe you will get 30. Next maybe you will get 35. Next maybe you will get 40. Next maybe you will get 45. It's keep on increase. Test to test it will keep on increase. It is not visible directly. Last examination you are able to see the result. Every test keep on improve. There are 30 tests are there. Please utilize. So in one of the tests, she got top. She got the top rank in one of the, right, AIMT. One of the mock tests, she became the topper. right? So right, every month, 10th, 20th, right, 30, we conducted the mock test. Every month, right, we conducted from the last 5 months. We conducted every 10th, 20 and 30, we conducted the mock test. Approximately 20,000 tests are attempted till now. Till now, all over India, 20,000 tests are attempted. Maybe persons, maybe 5,000, 3,000, or maybe 6,000. Right, I have to see the dashboard. But the number of people, number of attempts are done. One person may be done all the 30 tests. One person may be done all the 15 tests. On an average, 20,000 test submissions are happened. Right, so if right, it will give clear idea what is your position in the all India level. I request everyone, please attempt the tests. All India level mock test, please attempt. She became topper in one of the test. You can also become the topper in one of the tests. Please utilize this. Right, yeah, perfect, perfect. So these are the people. These people, all people taken our DSA course or gate course, they are taken. They got, right, they got placed in the big companies, big MNCs, including Google and Meta. Big companies they got. I hope you will also go to one of the bigger company. So these are our rankers: first rank, fourth rank, third rank, fourth rank, 10th rank, 17th rank. These all are our rankers. These all are our rankers, right? So I wish you will also become a topper. I wish you will also become a topper. And right, so if anyone want good practice, so you can use the 2026 people can use the RIC batches. For every subject, 200 good questions are there, right? And one more thing is, for gate DA people in the machine learning RIC, 100 new questions are added by Sachin sir. Sachin sir is added 100 new questions, very good questions with video solution. They added in the RIC course for gate DA people. For gate CSE and gate DA both, CSE and DA, right? So engineering mathematics also 100 more questions are added by Uma sir. Uma Maheshwara sir added the gate CSE people, gate DA people, one more 100. Total became 300 very good questions in the discrete, right, in the engineering mathematics. 300 good questions are added. They are very good. If you are looking for very good practice, very high level practice, you can go for this course, right? RIC course you can go, you will find out very good questions. And one more thing is, 80% offer going on. This is the code, you can use it, right? This is the new DSA batch. The new DSA batch. So you can contact this corresponding person, so you will get the more details. And one more thing is, right, so gate CSE regular course or foundation course. Foundation course is 2 years course, regular course is 1 year course. It is started for 2027 people, 28 people. So this is discrete mathematics, right? Evening 8 to 9 p.m. Evening 8 to 9 p.m. this batch is started. So those people who are targeting 27 gate, 27, 28, they can go for the discrete mathematics. That is the new batch started with the discrete mathematics subject. Yeah, now come back to our actual problem. So 12 problems are completed. Let's go to 13th problem. Example 13. Be careful this also. Example 13. I'm expecting answer. Let's see what will happen. So I'm expecting answer here. Main I is equal to 7, while it is also interesting. I less than or equal to n power 9. I is equal to I plus 2. I is equal to I minus 3. I is equal to I plus 27. I is equal to I minus 20. X is equal to Y plus Z. Yeah, can you go this problem? Can you go this problem? Can you go to this problem? Yeah, complete this problem. Everyone try this. Everyone try this. Sahil is given, I think Ashok is saying n power 9. Sahil is saying that n power 9 by 6. Right? So let me try to give the answer. Let me try to give the answer. Everyone, let me try to give the answer. I is equal to 7. I less than or equal to n power 9. I is equal to I plus 2. I is equal to I minus 3. I is equal to I plus 27. So it is initially 7. Okay. It is the initially 7. That is okay. Right? Next one. I think remember it is already you started with small. Already you started with small. So inside you should increase only. Inside you should increase only. Inside you have to increase only. Let's see. First to 2 incremented. Okay. Plus 2. Next to minus 3. So overall, I think minus 1. Next to 27 is incremented. Overall, 26. Afterwards, 20 decremented. So I think it is going to be 20, sorry, plus 6. Overall plus 6. So overall incrementing only. Overall incrementing only. No problem. Already smaller, you are incrementing only. I think it will goes to n by 6 if n is there. But here n power 9 is there. N power 9 by 6. You may say that, sir, I will count all, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will count that also, sir. It's okay. So it's going to be n power 9. It is going to be big O of n power 9. That is also perfect. This is also correct. But if you say, sir, I will do this only, sir, n power 9 by 6. That is a big O of n power 9. That is also correct. That is also correct. Right? That is also correct. And one more. This is the DSA course going on. This is the DSA course is going on. Tomorrow onward, DSA course will start. Tomorrow onward, DSA course will start in the EPT platform. In the EPT platform, tomorrow onward, DSA course will start. Today is the last day for the DSA course in the right YouTube. And one more important thing I want to say to you. One more important thing I want to say to you. In tomorrow's class, please do this. While coming to tomorrow's class, please do this. In the EPT platform, tomorrow's class there. So tomorrow's class, when you come to tomorrow's class, please do this. So go to the exam prep tool. Okay. Here you will see the GATE CSC. Right. You see the GATE CSC. Here, right, student experience. Here placement and DSA plus system design. So DSA course you want, GATE or placement, DSA course you want, you go there. There you will find out. See this one. Time complexity problems. How to find out time complexity. How to find out time complexity of a given program. So there are, if you observe clearly here, 30 programs are there. See, time complexity finding. Problem 1, problem 2, problem 3, problem 4, problem 5, problem 6, problem 7, problem 9. Right? So like this are there. Let me see this. 1 is over. So 2. So here time complexity things are there. Please take care. Here time complexity things are there. Please take care. Oh, you are unable to see. So let me share the screen again. So what I mean to say is, yeah, see this. So if you go to GATE CSC or placement, go to the placement, DSA or system design, go there. Here you will find out how to find out time complexity of a given program. One there, right? One contain few problems, right? So let me check here. Otherwise, you go to the GATE CSC. No problem. You go to the GATE CSC. In the GATE CSC, how to find out a time complexity of a given program? There are three things are there. See, it is the first one. These are the 5, right? 5 problems are there. Go to the second one. So here, if you go until problem number 20 there, right? If you go to the third one, until problem number 30 there. So I request everyone, please complete all. In tomorrow's class, we will discuss, right? Until problem number, if you see the problem number here, right? How to find out time complexity. See the third one. If you see problem number, it's going to be 30. Problem number 30. Problem number 30 here. It is a 31. It is a 32. 32, 30, 33 problems are there. Please take care. 33 problems are there. Please take care. Right, while coming tomorrow, how to find out time complexity of a given problem. I done approximately 13 problems. You please complete all 30 problems and come to tomorrow's class. Tomorrow's class will be there in the EPT platform. Please take care. Right, tomorrow's class will be there in the EPT platform. Please take care. Yeah, fine. Thanks everyone. See you in the next class. In the next class, we'll discuss. Okay? Is it okay? In the next class, we'll discuss. Fine. In the next class, we'll discuss. I given the where you have to access also. Go to exampreptool.com. Right? You will find out the one article, how to find out time complexity of a given program. Approximately 30 problems we given. Please go ahead. Right? You practice and come to the tomorrow's class. It is there in the EPT platform. Only 3 classes will be free. So remaining will be there in the EPT platform. Thanks everyone. See you in the next class.